casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Chanel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the long spring twists. I am using the X-Pression twist up, and I'm going to leave all of the information over this hair, how many packs I use, down in the description box. As you can see, I have already started twisting my hair. I'm only going to show you how to do the front part of it. If you need to, just stop, slow the video down, replay it, whatever you need to do to get the technique down. It is very simple, but I'm only going to show it once in this video. So I'm using some jam. I'll leave that information down in the description box, but basically what I want to do is apply it all over my hair just to give it more of that sleek and be able to grip it as good as possible. So each bundle of hair comes in like an already pre-stretched I don't know, piece of hair. What I did is I just took that piece of hair and I split it into two. So one piece of hair that's in that bundle in the package is going to be used for one spring twist, and you're going to see here very soon how I use the other piece of hair. But start off by braiding your hair along with the spring twist hair, and then once you have braided about 2 or 3 times, you're going to then start to separate your hair and twist it with the spring twist hair. So you're going to basically keep on twisting, and then while you're twisting your hair with the spring twist, you want to make sure you're twisting this pretty tightly. If you do not, your hair will start to show through the twist. So make sure you're twisting that tight. And what I like to do is I like to twist both pieces of hair between my finger and my pointer finger, between my thumb and my pointer finger, and then twist around, going right over left, if that makes sense. So you just keep on twisting until you get to the end of the spring twist hair. And the way that I parted my hair, I just basically parted to, it's more like a free-form parting. I didn't have no rhyme or reason to it. Some parts are a little bigger than others, but I feel like over time it makes the hair look a lot more natural. Normally I do like the box brick method, you know, where the braid will just lay over between the two braids in between the parts. I hope that makes sense, but I decided not to do that this go around. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. And the hair that I'm using is 16 inches long. So since I am using two pieces of hair, the twist itself will be a total of 32 inches long. So if you are looking for that extended spring look, this is one of the options. Or you can also purchase the 24-inch spring hair and then add on like maybe 16 inches or 8 inches and make it a little bit longer. But this is what I was saying. So you basically take the second piece of hair and you start twisting where you left off from the first piece of spring twist hair. It's just that simple. You just start twisting it and twisting it. It may look like the size of the twist is a little differently from the top, but as soon as you basically stop twisting, everything will be cohesive and it will just look all one size. So don't actually worry about that part. But as you're twisting, you want to kind of like pull out the ends of the hair because you want it to be more tapered. So as you're twisting, just kind of like fluff it out at the bottom as you see me like pulling it. It just makes it more tapered, give you more of a point in and not so blunt, if that makes sense. So yeah, I didn't dip this hair or anything once I got done twisting it. It just basically stayed as is. Yeah, and I know some people are like, oh, that's nasty, she putting that hair in her mouth. But it's so long that I had to put it in my mouth in order to get to the very end of the hair. So, you know, you can do whatever you want. Maybe use like a duck clip or something to clip it in the back. But yeah, this is just what I'm doing. It didn't bother me. Yep, so keep on twisting and twisting until you get to the ends. And I love this hairstyle. I've been getting so many compliments. It's very lightweight. It may look heavy because it's so long, but it's extremely lightweight. I can put it in a bun and I don't feel like my neck is just like weighed down. But right here, I'm using the African Pride. It's just like a 5-in-1 strength oil. It has different oils that's supposed to help, you know, grow your hair and give it like that strength that it needs to keep growing, I guess. But yeah, I'm just applying that throughout my hair on the parts. You can use whatever hair grow oil or, you know, oil sheen, whatever you have to make sure your hair is moisturized while it's in the twist. Then I'm using that Nairobi foaming setting foam, whatever it's called. I'm just using that on my twist just to make sure that, you know, there's no flyaways, everything is tightly in that twist, and you just put it from root to tip. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't dip the hair in hot water, it just stayed as is. So basically, after I used the foam, I did, this is basically the finished look. Nothing else was done to the hair. As you can see, it's very long. Like I was stating before, it's not heavy. It goes past my butt. If you want it a little bit longer, you can always purchase longer hair and just keep on adding the extension. But I absolutely love this hairstyle. Is very summer friendly. I've had it up for a couple weeks now and it still looks good. Even here in this video, this particular time, I had it in for about 5 days and it looks awesome. I am going to leave all the information, what I use, down in the description box, so please feel free to look there if you are interested in doing this hairstyle. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments. I'll be happy to respond to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you'd like to. And I will see you in my next video. Take care.
So casually keep diving in.